today I'm going to be using the Lock and Key mold and only the Lock and Key mold, no other molds. And I'm going to be using the Diamond Pattern Stencil by JRV. Good. So I'm using a makeup sponge with black velvet paint, and I'm just rubbing it in the squares. I'm not looking for perfect. Whatever happens, happens. So I've got that on there. I might as well paint the sides black. Now I'm going to switch to Crinoline, and so now I'm going to make it so that I can stencil in the other spot. So I'm covering up the black parts with the diamonds. All right, let's see. I'm going to go this way. I want this to be really loose, so I'm going to hold it near the end of my brush. Just kind of pull it in. Okay, now I'm going to take some of this watered down gray paint, and I think I'm going to like shadow a little bit. All right, I'm going to go into just the Crinoline and just tone that down a little bit, but I'll still have the depth. Oh yeah, that's good. So I'm putting this element here. This side's going to be all black over here. Okay. So I'm painting this black. I'm going to let that rest for a minute. A little bit of layered chocolate here. Sandy blonde is, sandy blonde. It's like the perfect name for it. But I'm going to cut it with some Crinoline. Because I'm doing a wash, I'm going to be using lots of water. Just kind of squirt it in the middle there. Don't put that too far away, Lisa, you know better. All right. That's exactly what I was going for. I feel like maybe I should seal this. I think I will. I'll just put some Big Top on here. So I'm going to use some clear liquid patina on this plate. It's just regular old cinnamon. We do like to use some Italian seasoning around here as well.
What do you use? Buffalo seasoning, barbecue seasoning, Italian seasoning.
And I'm just doing the high points. Typically, you know, rust is not even. Even if the whole thing's rusted, it's usually not evenly rusted. So on my plate, I'm going to put, I got the layered chocolate still in this lid. And I'm going to use Summer Crush is my favorite way to make rust. Okay, so this is, you know, this is true rust right here, and we're pretty close. It's just usually more variegated than that, but I'm letting that sit before I brush it off. So I'm going to make a rust color by taking Summer Crush and adding layered chocolate to it. You can see it starting to develop right in there. It's going to be better for, I'm going to need a little bit more orange than I've got there. Want to get this running. Here we go. I know it's going to be a minute before you guys can see it. And I want it to run from that piece over there. So I'm just helping the paint along with this tool. Ooh, I think it's going to go this way. So now if I want that to stay like that, and I do, I want to try more that way, I'm going to hit it with my heat gun, and it should stop it. And I'll get some of those drips. This is pretty cool. Okay, wipe that off. Anything that's looking too heavy, I have to dry this so I can brush off a lot of that cinnamon now.
Ooh, I can really smell the
Oh, I
cinnamon
want to
now.
seal this with, I think, do I have a satin handy? So this is Pink Couture Satin. Alright, so now I'm just gonna dab this on there. So I'm gonna make more of that rust color. This is so like maroon looking.
What is
Yeah. So I'm just gonna like go over the top and make it look more rust colored.